Section 1. I embody wealth, health, and happiness as who I am. I begin by grounding myself in stillness. I visualize standing firmly in my own presence, rooted in calm. I am no longer chasing outcomes. I am becoming alignment. I see wealth, health, and happiness not as goals ahead of me, but as qualities already alive within me. They are woven into my posture, my breath, my self-image. I feel them settle into my nervous system as familiarity. My body recognizes safety. My mind recognizes truth. I am not trying to prove anything. I am claiming what is natural to me. Identity precedes reality. As I accept this, resistance dissolves. I affirm that wealth is part of who I am. I affirm that health is my natural state. I affirm that happiness flows from my alignment. I affirm that I live from identity, not effort. I affirm that my inner world defines my outcomes. I affirm that abundance feels normal to me. I affirm that vitality is embedded in my being. I affirm that joy is safe for me to experience. I affirm that I no longer chase what I already embody. I affirm that my mindset shapes my lifestyle. I affirm that who I am attracts what I experience. I affirm that I move through life with internal certainty. I affirm that my identity creates consistency. I affirm that I am grounded in self-trust. I affirm that wealth, health, and happiness are my baseline. Section 2. I wake up aligned with my identity daily. I visualize waking up calm and clear, before the world places demands on me. I sit with myself in the quiet and remember who I am before I remember what I do. I feel my identity locking in for the day like a compass. My thoughts align. My posture aligns. My decisions align. There is no scrambling, only direction. Discipline feels natural because it matches who I am becoming. My mornings reinforce my truth. I affirm that my mornings shape my life. I affirm that I wake up aligned and focused. I affirm that discipline strengthens my identity. I affirm that consistency builds confidence. I affirm that I show up for myself daily. I affirm that my habits support abundance. I affirm that my routine protects my health. I affirm that I choose intention over impulse. I affirm that clarity begins in the morning. I affirm that I start calm and stay calm. I affirm that my identity